How to let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connection, click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, here devices is showing here, and click on three dot icon and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, click on Music Share. After click on Music Share, so you will see Share Device With. Click on Share Device With. So you will select Contacts Only and Everyone. Click on Everyone and Contacts Only. After select, click on Ask for permission to contact and click on Don't Ask and Every Time. And after select, click on Disconnect with Nothing is played for. You will select 5 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute. Don't disconnect, and you will select time from here. After select time, go back to home screen. So that's how you can let nearby friend play music on your Bluetooth speaker on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.